our new discovery of Kraken or Lady Bacon. Pwedeng tong pulutan, pwedeng tong baon.
Oh, nakadiscover ulit. Oh, sarap ng ulam.
So,
First, I will show how to prepare this simple ulam, simple recipe. Bacon with okra, or we name it lady fingers. Ngayon ko lang alam, lady fingers pala ito. You prepare the okra, clean it, and then wrap the okra with the bacon. So simple, no other recipe, no other ingredients, just this. Then after you prepare it, you have to bake it. And I think just 50 minutes. Iwanan mo nakalabas yung buntot ng lady fingers para may art naman siya. Yan. I usually broiled it until it's golden brown. There you are. Just simple as that. Hope you will try it too, so that you enjoy the lady fingers with the bacon. O yan. Dahil maiksi lang yung lady fingers, kaya hinati ko yung bacon para hindi aksaya. So, after preparing the okra and the bacon, it's look like this. Oh, while preparing it, you put it, cover the tray with this foil, and then spray a little oil para hindi didikit yung i-grill natin. Ayan. Then, yun, of course, naka-preheat na yung what do you call it? Oven. So, place it properly. Like that. We are going to place it now in the oven and grill it until it's golden brown. So that's it. So simple. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. No, it's ready. It's cooked. Oh. Oh, it's done. Simple. Ay, kaya pala nagtubig sa tayo. That's it.
This is our new discovery okra corn or Libby
Bacon. Mataway. Masarap. Masarap.
Pwedeng tong pulutan, pwedeng tong baon.
Oh, nakadiscover
Oh.
ulit. Oh, sarap ito lang.